Do you know why blood sugar levels are important? Today, we're going to answer an important question. What should my blood sugar levels be? But before we begin, remember that this video is for general education. Always talk with your medical provider about your personal health and your blood sugar goals. Understanding your blood sugar is important if you have diabetes. Whether you were just diagnosed or have had diabetes for years, this video can show you what to aim for and why it matters. Let's get started by talking about what is blood sugar. Blood sugar, also called glucose, is the sugar in your blood. It comes from the food that you eat and also from the liver, and it gives your body energy. Your body needs some sugar in the blood, but too much or too little can cause problems. That is why keeping it in a healthy range is so important. What is a healthy blood sugar level? Your provider may ask you to check your blood sugar at different times of the day. The numbers that you aim depend on whether you have diabetes or not. Fasting blood sugar checks are usually done in the morning before breakfast. Fasting is when you have not eaten for 8 hours or more. For people without diabetes, a fasting blood sugar should be between 70 and 90 milligrams per deciliter. After eating, blood sugar rises. A blood sugar after a meal is called postprandial, meaning after eating. For someone without diabetes, 2 hours after the start of a meal, blood sugar should be below 140. For people with diabetes, the targets are different. A fasting blood sugar should be between 80 and 130. A postprandial blood sugar taken 2 hours after start eating should be below 180. These numbers help your body working well and prevent serious complications like heart disease, kidney damage, vision loss, or neuropathy. But everyone is different. Your provider may give you different goals based on your health, your age, and how long you have had diabetes. What is the hemoglobin A1C test? It's a blood test that shows your average blood sugar over the past 3 months. You should have a hemoglobin A1C at regular intervals. A normal hemoglobin A1C, or simply A1C, it's below 5.7%. A result between 5.7 and 6.4% means prediabetes, which is a warning sign. A result of 6.5% or higher means diabetes. For most people with diabetes, the goal is to keep the A1C below 7% to lower the risk of complications. Why these numbers matter? Keeping blood sugar in a healthy range helps you feel better every day and protects your body over time. If your blood sugar is high, it can make you feel thirsty, tired, or dizzy. It can also cause increased urination, blurred vision, and slow healing of cuts and bruises. If blood sugar gets too high, it can lead to serious complications needing emergency care. On the flip side, a low blood sugar can cause shakiness, sweating, confusion, and even fainting. If this happens, eating or drinking something with fast acting sugar can help bring blood sugar back to normal. How to keep blood sugar in a healthy range? Checking blood sugar regularly helps you see what is working and when to make changes. A glucometer or continuous glucose monitor, or CGM, can help you track your levels. Making small healthy changes can also help. Eat balanced meals. Learn how carbohydrates affect your blood sugar and choose fiber-rich foods. Stay active. Moving your body helps lower blood sugar and makes insulin work better. Take medications as prescribed. Never change doses without talking with your provider. Manage stress. Stress can raise blood sugar, so find healthy ways to relax. You don't have to do everything all at once. Small steps add up. The more you learn, the more control that you have over your health. And some final thoughts. So, what should your blood sugar levels be? Now that you know what to aim for and why it matters, these numbers are not just rules. They are tools to help you live well with diabetes. Always talk with your provider about the best goals for you. If you found this video helpful, share it with someone who may need it. Managing diabetes is a journey, and you don't have to do it alone. For more tips, subscribe to this channel.